On your keyboard, locate the FN key and the F12 key. Press and hold both together at the same time. That's it. Your keyboard should now type the correct characters. Test it out by typing a few letters. Everything should be working normally now. If that didn't fix it, try this instead. Press FN plus F11 this time. Some laptops use F11 instead of F12 for this fix. Try typing again and see if it works. This problem usually happens when numlock gets accidentally turned on. It causes certain keys to act as numbers instead of letters. The FN shortcut turns that off instantly. If the problem still isn't fixed, here's one more thing to try. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Time and Language, then click on Language and Region. Make sure your keyboard language is set to the correct one. An incorrect language setting can also cause wrong characters to appear. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.